the phone. You know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out.
Hey guys, it's Rubes, and today I am seeing which fidget spinner can spin the fastest. This team emoji, ooh. Team HGL, ooh. Team red, ooh. Let's get started. But first, I need better lighting. Okay, I just got poked. If you didn't know, nothing. So trick shot. So let's pick you up, and then I'm just gonna take screenshots. Alright, then I'm going to put you up so you're going to see the fidget spinners.
Look at the TV. The one yellow.
Yeah?
Oof.
Oh, yeah. So let's get started. Emoji, enjoy emoji. And then red. Oh, in third place is this one. Second place, emoji. And first place, if you guys won, comment, subscribe and like. And share, just whatever, if you lost. Don't care. So the winner is HGL. Team HGL. Well done if you won. Lucky. Which I haven't won in my life, so you guys are lucky if you didn't win. Great. I mean, I won a fidget spinner giveaway, but that was free because I unsubscribed and commented. I hate comment. Anyway, that's it for my video. And team hate. No, I was entered in one and I didn't win. Well, I did win, but it was fake. So that's it for this video. Well done, team HGL. It's backwards because I don't know why, because of this phone and it's uploaded on YouTube or whatever. See you next time. Bye.